Guys, here's the moment of truth. I'm gonna buy Leonardo AI, and if you haven't bought it yet and you are thinking if it's worth it or not, then this video is exactly for you. Now, what I'm eyeing at is the Maestro Unlimited plan, which is for the $60 a month. You see what this $60 a month gets us is 60,000 fast tokens, 180,000 rollover tokens, bank capacity. Now this means that unused monthly tokens will roll over, and this is the capacity of that. And once you run out of the fast tokens, you will get unlimited relax generations, and this is exactly what I wanted. So unlimited relax video generations once we run out of fast tokens. Now firstly, I'm planning on using and consuming all of these tokens because I'm gonna test out a lot of stuff. And honestly, I'm not going for this 30 $30 one plan, the artisan unlimited, because once you run out of the fast tokens, which you get 25,000 in this one, you wouldn't have any relaxed video generations. So basically that would limit your video generation rate, and to make one video you would spend somewhere around 25 tokens. That's what I think is generally the rate of expanding these tokens. So if you make multiple images and you want to see what type of image to motion works the best for you or for your video, you'll have to actually test out a lot of images. So that's why you'll use up a lot of tokens really fast. Also in this $60 a month plan, what you get is up to 20 pending jobs. So that also works well if you have to make multiple generations. That's pretty much it. There's some other stuff as well which doesn't make sense for me to look into right now because this is what I'm going to be doing. So we'll get to those stuff later on. So before I buy the premium, I'll have to show you what it looks like right now to use Leonardo AI and how it would be like after I buy this. So I'll go over to image creation. Here, let me just type a prompt. Now if I generate this, it uses 24 tokens. Let's see how fast this is going to generate. So image generation is generally a bit faster. Now the thing is whether these tokens are fast tokens or not. If you know, let me know down in the comments. So right now there's a digit here which I'm not sure what exactly it is, because it's not the percentage of image generation. That's what I'm sure about. So we have an astronaut driving a ship actually. So it doesn't look like a ship, but I wasn't detailed in my prompt as well, so I wouldn't expect it to make something extremely good out of it. But on the other hand side, I use Ideogram with minimalist prompts. It gives you like maximum results. You got to see those videos on my channel as well. For this right now, this one has more water splashing over here, so I'll generate it into motion. So let's see how fast that is. So the motion strength I would like to keep is like 8. Let's see how it goes. I cannot set the visibility to private because I'm not at the premium plan, and this is going to expend 25 tokens. So let us click generate. So it made us the image to motion. Let us see how it is like. So it made a 4-second video from that same image, and the motion isn't actually the best one, but I would say that I've previously had better results while generating motion videos from images. I'll show you one of those. So you see this was one of those. So I made this from an image. So where it starts, that was the actual image, and you see it added quite some interesting motion to this image. So it would make a good video actually if I want to extend it. And the good thing with Leonardo AI is that you can keep the characters consistent as well. So I'll make a separate video on that one. So guys, I'm back and I'm pretty excited for this one. Now I have the pro version and I'll go to image creation. Let's get directly into the action. And now I'll go to Ideogram and I have this image that I wanted to make in Leonardo AI. I'll copy this prompt. It is a really detailed prompt if you see. And what I'll do is I'll come back to Leonardo AI. I'll paste the prompt here, and generating it would cost us again 24 tokens. And let's see if this time it generates fast. So it's taking the same time. So generating this basically took the same time. And now if I click on this image, it really made a lot of images in one. It didn't make like one picture of it. And anyways, I find it interesting because let's see if we have a collage, if Leonardo AI can make the video of whole of this one. So let's say this is the one and I want to put motion to it. So let me click on this one. I'll put the motion strength to 5 because we already have a lot of detail in these images. So I'll click on generate. So let's see how much time the video generation takes now. So guys, it basically took around a minute to generate this video. Let me show you this video. It put motion to it definitely, and not exactly in a perfect way because we already had a lot of details in this picture already. So I wasn't expecting it to make a good one, but anyways, we had this and we went with it. Now I'll also show you the other options that I have unlocked after getting the premium. So the generation mode, I can select between fast and quality. I'll check it out later as well. The image dimension, previously I could only make this one, now it has unlocked more image dimensions. And then you see I can also select between the size of the image, the large one, the best one, the high quality ones, or the small or the medium. So I suppose if you go with the small, the generation time would be less. And the number of images, previously it was fixed to 4, now I can select as much as 8. And advanced settings for the models, I could select between the models previously as well. You can select the preset style as well, and from here you could already select the other presets, all these ones including anime, cinematic, graphic design. You can even select this one if you don't have a premium one. And these are also the features that are now unlocked: negative prompt, transparency. So I'd be pretty much testing it out and I'll be sharing my results on the channel, so you'd have to stay tuned. But before I go, I really want to do one generation like I did before. So I took a high quality image from the community and then I actually put motion to that one. So let's say this is the image that I want to add motion to. So I'll click on this image and then I'll come over here and I'll have to click on image to motion. So the motion strength I want to be 7. I want this guy to do some sort of movement and he also has a cigar, so it should also have some movement. So I'll click on generate. I believe this one is also going to take around a minute to generate, so I'll catch up with you. Well, I was quite excited for it, but anyways, this is the motion that it added to the video. Nothing outstanding, but anyways, this is what we get. So it's all about trying and testing. I just tested a few ones on video, and these are the results, actual results that you get. So if you were thinking that with Leonardo AI you would get some extremely good image to motion videos, but you weren't sure, so this is what you would get. So I'll try it out, and I'm not actually discounting this piece of software because Leonardo AI is really good at generating images, and video to the image to motion, the videos would actually get better with time. So I would like to test it out more to give my final verdict. But for now, if you have previously used Ideogram AI, with minimal effort you get some pretty amazing results. So that is not the type of stuff you would get in Leonardo AI. You'd have to test, you'd have to give more details, and you'd have to be a bit patient with this one. So this is what I think of Leonardo AI, and I'm excited to try it out. And anyways, if you are interested in this sort of content, you might be seeing some videos on the side that you might find interesting. So you might also want to check those out as well. I'll see you in those.